everyone, today we will present about how to make Khantoke. Khantoke is a kind of wooden utensil in northern Thailand which we use like food table. The first step to make Khantoke is drying the resin for eliminate dampness. After that, peeling those out for make it smooth and create it like circle, and we will get the base of Khantoke. The second step, whip cum like this. We use old tree and cut it out that we want. We have peeled green surface out until we see brown surface, chopping it appropriately, cutting wood out and export wood surface for basketing. We will whip it proper with its bed and cut spurt out. In the old, we use written line to sail around it, but it dry, so now we use rubber instead. Next, we will show you how to seal Khantoke. The instrument that we use: wick knife, stab iron, and oil for seal it easily. We form it with its legs and sharpen totally by pulling for the crate. After that, we use rotten to bind its leg. Finally, we use a liquid gas to sign it and coat it with lacquer. The lacquer that we use is mixed with benzene. Now we are in Rattan Basket Shop and we will show you about our products. This is Job. She is shop owner. How long have you found this shop? It's about 10 years. What is the most popular product? Khantoke. How many sizes of Khantoke do you have? I have 10 to 30 inch size. Which size do you sell the most? I can't answer it especially because we sell every size well. Now we will show you about the size of Khantoke. This size 24, that means its diameter is 24 inches. This size 20, that means its diameter is 20 inches. Every side differs 2 inches from each other. We have 10 to 30 inches size. We can sell it every side. In this shop, we not only have product but also have material to make it. Villagers will bring it to make basketry at home like family business. When they finish it, they will send it to the shop for sale. It is shop center for basketry. Hello, I saw you send Khantoke, so I want to know how long have you done it for your life? It is about 4 to 5 years. That's the time you could earning. Just valley.